settings menu. Change languages between English and other language. It can be imperial or metric units. You have a 12-hour clock or a 24-hour clock. Change the date. You change the time, and you can change the head speed rotation, and that can be anywhere from 100 to 500 RPMs. Quick start mode is going to allow you to set the 2 positions on the belt that you want. Set far position. Far position is always going to be farthest away from the control box here. This is the near position. Yeah, so it's important to know that when you set the near and far position, that rotary head is halfway over the frame and halfway over the belt. That's going to be the optimum cleaning, and that's how all the calculations are done. So if you do it where the head is actually at the edge of the belt, like the edge of that rotary head is at the edge of the belt, it's not going to clean 100% of those edges. So all the calculations done are based on that rotary head being halfway over the edge of the frame. Yeah. And that's on both the near and the far position. Rotary head speed. Right, 1 is going to be the fastest speed and 10 is going to be the slowest speed. So I'm going to say 5. And then when you hit run, the head is just going to run back and forth at that speed until you tell it to stop. This is the simple mode. It doesn't do any of the programming. This just runs it so the belt just gets cleaner. Then we can create a new program where you enter any program name you want. We're just going to call this 123. Recessed belt is when the belt is below the frame. And this one's non-recessed because they're about flush. So this is when you enter the belt length. You can either enter it in if you know how long it is, or if you don't know, because this can touch the belt. And this is what will do the automatic calculations, or it can be put to be held up if the program's already set, or if they don't want to use it and they already know belt length and belt speed. I'm going to leave this down for the program to work. You can put a marker on the belt, hit calculate belt length, and as the belt is moving, that wheel is counting how fast it's moving, and it's going to be able to tell how long the belt is when you get that marker back to its original starting point. So I'll stop there. So it says it's 7.6 feet. We're just going to get 15 just to make it a little longer. Enter the belt speed. You can either enter it in if you know it, or if you don't, you hit calculate belt speed. Over the next 10 seconds, it's going to calculate how fast the belt is moving. Here is when you're going to set the near and far position again. Here, so cleaning intensity, 1 meaning the belt is relatively clean. Might have light debris on it that you just kind of want the steam to blow off. And 10 being the dirtiest, it's going to take the most time to actually scrub each little section. So we'll just say a 6. And this is a recap of everything we entered. So what you want to do is you want to hit save program, then hit run. Yep, you can turn the system off, turn it back on, and just go to your save program list, which will show after this. And 1, 2, 3 will be saved. So when you put this on a belt that's the exact same as the one you calculated on, it'll run smoothly. So let's say that's cleaning well, or we have a lot lighter debris than we thought, and we say, the cleaning intensity is actually going to be a 2. Change it, hit save program, hit run again, and now it's going to recalculate it with a cleaning intensity of 2. So you can change any of the information you input. So if it's really dirty the first time you run it, and then after that it just has light buildup and you run it more often, all you do is just change the cleaning intensity. So stop that. Let's say now this machine's going to a different factory. None of those safe programs make a difference. Go and say program list, you can just delete it and it's gone from the memory.